Hello, everyone. I'm Jamie, the Training and Automation Ambassador for AGC Agency. It is so great to connect with you all today. At AGC Agency, our core mission is simple. We provide IT peace of mind to small and medium-sized businesses. Today, I want to talk about protecting the businesses you've worked so hard to build. In my line of work, I see a lot of security misconceptions. So, I want to share the 3 big red flags we see when it comes to business cybersecurity. Red flag number 1, the click now, ask questions later mentality. We've all been in a rush, but when team members don't understand the risks of clicking a link, bad things happen. The best defense here is a combination of proper training, a solid email filtering tool, and daily vigilance. If you or your team get an urgent email from the CEO asking to buy gift cards, or a vendor requesting a sudden bank update, stop. Encourage your team to always verify those requests using a non-email method, like a quick phone call. Better safe than sorry. Red flag number 2. Believing, I'm too small to be hacked. No one cares about my little business. I hear this all the time, and it couldn't be further from the truth. Cybercriminals do not care what industry you're in or how big you are. In fact, they specifically look for smaller, easy targets with low security standards. Even the smallest businesses hold incredibly valuable data: employee details, customer records, sales, and tax data. All of this can be sold on the dark web. And even if you suffer an attack and pay the ransom, the fallout can leave you with massive reputation damage, along with legal and compliance headaches. Which brings me to red flag number 3. Thinking that once you pay a ransom, all is good again. Imagine coming to work, your systems are locked, and a ransom note says paying them will get your data back. Will it? This is where having an experienced cyber risk team is critical. They know the reality of negotiating. Did you know there is a rating system for how likely a specific hacker group is to actually give your data back? And what happens if you pay, get the data back, but find out they are still selling it on the dark web, or trying to extort you for even more money? Having cyber risk insurance puts trained professionals on your side to navigate these nightmares and get you the best possible outcome. The good news? Your company does not have to be an easy target. At AGC Agency, we have the tools, the training, and the expertise to maximize your defenses and keep your data safe. If you want true IT peace of mind, please come find me today or reach out to us at AGC Agency. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe out there.